This is what it looks like when water is getting into your electrical panel. I know you're probably wondering, how does that even happen? The short answer, neglect. The long answer is the wire that runs from our pole outside to the house has been wearing down for years. It doesn't help that this side of the house gets blasted by the sun all day. So every time it has been raining, water has been traveling down that line into our meter and then into our electrical panel. And I had no idea. Now, we have been living in this house for almost 6 years now. We recently bought this house from our landlord and it has been quite the fixer-upper. You're probably asking, so how didn't you realize this? Well, water in our basement wasn't uncommon. I always assumed it was only groundwater, which is why as soon as we bought this house, we immediately got a French drain installed. Since it has rained and snowed a lot recently, I went to go check to see if there was groundwater in the basement, and it was completely dry everywhere except under our electrical panel. And that is when I realized water was dripping out of our electrical panel. We didn't come down here nowhere near as much as we do now that we have a washer and dryer, which is why it went undetected, at least by us, for all this time. So after calling around and getting quotes, I ended up going with Nor'easter Electric because they got me on the schedule the very next business day, because this was definitely an emergency. I could not sleep once I found this out. We decided the safest move was to replace the entire panel and my breakers because my lights had also been flickering. We decided to upgrade from 100 amps to 200 amps and install a surge protector for the whole house. They were able to get this done all in one day while the kids were at school. They upgraded everything from the pole to inside, and now I can finally sleep in peace and have a Merry Christmas.